Okay, so today I'm going to see my physio to work on my jaw. This one right here. For many years I've always had this issue and it's been very uncomfortable, sometimes painful. When you eat, you just get this pain on the side of your face, the front, the top, and all so forth. But a couple months ago it just got really bad. I remember I was just eating something, but I just had all this pain all in my face, back of my head. I went and saw a dentist, and the dentist gave me occlusal splint, which is this thing where you put it in the tip of your mouth. And what it does is it lines your jaw. So it lines your jaw and makes sure that you don't put too much pressure on your jaw joints. But the biggest thing that has really helped over the past couple months is seeing my TMJ physio guy. A common thing is that when you're stressed out, when you're angry, or when you're excited, whatever it is, right, you just automatically clench your jaw. And you can hold a lot of stress in there. And that's what I tend to do. I clench my jaw. With the TMJ physio, I've been seeing him for a few months. And he's been working on the sides of my face and everything, and he's taught me how to release my jaw, how to notice that when I'm clenching, exercises in which I can apply before when I go to sleep, just ways to relax my jaw. And it's been working very well. If you're struggling with TMJ issues, if you're struggling on how to fix this jaw problem, I'm with you. I know how frustrating it is. It can really dampen your lifestyle. The two things that's really helped me is seeing the dentist and wearing occlusal splint. So the occlusal splint will put your jaw back into its natural resting position, so therefore you're not putting too much pressure on your joints there. Over the next couple weeks, you notice that your pain will just start to decrease. And next thing you need to see is a TMJ physio, someone who's really good at physio but specializes in TMJ. Those are the two things that I recommend. See a TMJ physio and wear an occlusal splint for TMJ. You do those two things and you notice that your pain will just dissipate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go see my TMJ physio guy. Let's go check him out. Yo, so I'm on the way to the physio at the moment. He's based in Balmain. Just driving my car. It's a beautiful day. Alright, so I just finished my session with Mr. Edward Yip. Today what we did was we did dry needling and we did the external massages. So the dry needling, that's when you put needles on the sides of your face. So what dry needling does, it gets into those inner parts of the muscles that's really tight and it just releases it. So I find that dry needling is really effective. So whenever Edward puts the needles inside those certain areas, when I get home, I tend to feel a lot of relaxation on my jaw, and it just feels incredible. It's really good. I love dry needling. In terms of the pain, it might sound painful, dry needling, where you're putting needles and stuff. The pain threshold is not too great. It's not that bad. Just think of it as just a tiny little pin that's just going into your skin, but it's not. There's no blood or anything that comes out. It's like a little prick. You know, it's like putting a toothpick just on your skin a bit. You know, it's not really digging right in. So I find that dry needling is really effective. That's a really good way just to relieve a lot of tension on your jaw. He also massaged particular parts of my jaw. So he went through the sides there and he pushed all the way up there, and he just there was a lot of some tight areas there, so he just sort of worked his way out. So that was my treatment, the dry needling and also the external area massages. TMJ physio was a huge game changer for me this year. I wish I did this many years ago. I'm going to be doing this for the rest of my life. Whenever there's a lot of pain, go see your physio, go see your TMJ physio, get it treated, and you relieve a lot of that pressure on your jaw. You might still have a bit of clicking, but you'll find that it will greatly reduce. So the pain will go away. Think of it as like you're in pain 100% now. We got all these issues and stuff. With TMJ physio, it will reduce all the pain, all the issues down to maybe about 10%. If you want to go see Edward, he's based in Balmain, Sydney Allied Health. Go check him out. He's really good. He's a really friendly guy, very knowledgeable, and highly recommend his services. If you're not in Sydney, go do research, type in TMJ Physio, and then just go through what you find in terms of research, do background research, have a look at reviews, because it's a very important decision when you're picking a physio. Make sure this person knows what they're doing, they're specialized, they're passionate about it, and when you pick the right one, they will heal your TMJ issues. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.